color you can smell, here are 5 facts about Ratatouille. Fact 1. To make the food in Ratatouille look tasty, every dish was prepared in a real kitchen, then photographed and animated. More than 270 pieces of food were created digitally. New techniques for lighting, shading, steam, and heat waves were developed to make it look good enough to eat. It helped that Pixar employee Michael Walt was a former restaurant manager and served as production sous chef, cooking up gourmet meals on site for the animators to eat. Research. And yes, the iconic Ratatouille dish was even cooked in real life. Fact 2. Producer Brad Lewis immersed himself in the world of fine cuisine by interning at a world-famous Michelin 3-star restaurant. This cooking boot camp gave the filmmaker a better understanding of how things in a professional gourmet kitchen go down, but also up. Fact 3. Speaking of up, when Remy climbs out of the sewers for the first time, a dog with a recognizable silhouette scares him off. It's Doug from Pixar's then still in production movie, Squirrel! In another cameo, the character Bon Voyage from The Incredibles makes 2 appearances in Ratatouille. First, when he makes the headlines of a Paris newspaper. And second, we see him as a mime on the bridge by Notre Dame when Linguini and Colette skate past. Brad Bird directed both Ratatouille and The Incredibles, but the connections don't stop there. Fact 4. The production designer on The Incredibles, Lou Romano, lent not only his voice to bring Linguini to life, but also his bike. Scenes in the movie were based on real footage that Romano shot taking his bicycle inside his own house. One of the more challenging scenes to animate was when Linguini is dripping wet after falling into the Seine River. Animators used a similar technique by throwing a fellow animator into a pool to see how wet fabric clung to a person. I wonder if that was in the job description. Fact 5. Okay, this one's a 3-parter. Ratatouille is clearly all about the details, but here are a few that you may have missed. When Remy first enters the kitchen, he lands in a sink full of soapy water, so he doesn't contaminate the food. And when he's in the kitchen, he always walks upright instead of on all fours to keep his 2 front paws clean. Now that's a considerate rat. Considerate rat? Never mind. Colette has an oven rack burn on her forearm, which is common among professional chefs, and Linguini retains a bite mark from where Remy bit him earlier in the film. To strike fear into chefs, Anton's office resembles a coffin, and his typewriter, a skull. Anton, listen, I'm no Remy, but I can microwave a mean macaroni and cheese, so... Okay, thanks for watching. Let us know what other Disney films you would like to learn more about, and remember, anyone can cook.